DJI, start live stream failed. Live stream settings, saved, check and try again. Everything looks good. We're going to start the live stream and it fails. This is an iOS device. We can back out. Go to Facebook again. Manually hit start. Preparing live stream. Connected. Describe the stream. Test. To everyone, 720p adaptive. The account. Start live stream. Failed. What we're going to do is back out. Do YouTube. Starting live stream is preparing. It's set up. Describe the stream. Public 720p adaptive. Start live stream. This is not live streaming to YouTube. Go to your computer. We are waiting to start to live stream, and we're saying we are live streaming. To better understand how to live stream, you need to go to your computer. You need to go to Go Live. You need to go to your Manage. You need to go to the stream and hit the test. As we're on the test, the video we just made, we are now able to live stream. We go to the live and we hit Go Live. We wait for the computer and DJI to the Mimo to the computer to talk to one another. iOS, Facebook is not working. Facebook is not working. Please fix YouTube streaming correctly, and definitely fix Facebook that we cannot stream. Because people here are saying, I tried to live stream from the OA3 on the Mimo app to Facebook, couldn't stream at all. The app starting live stream failed. Settings not saved. No matter how hard I tried, it still doesn't work. I also couldn't switch to my Facebook accounts to live stream on my pages. The Mimo app is in the iOS version. However, I can live stream to YouTube without any issues. But yet, he didn't say that he went to the computer to do the streaming. And he says he could work around so that I can live stream on Facebook using the Osmo Action 3 and iPhone in an outdoor setting. And here we have the company. Hello there. Other verifications due to the change of the live streaming agreement of the Facebook platform. The current Facebook live stream will be restricted and interrupted abnormally. That is called not updating DJI's contract. At present, the usage will be affected on the short term. We recommend using other platforms for live streaming temporarily. At the same time, we'll speed up the improvements of the situations. Thank you for your understanding. Thumbs up if you feel that's not the answer for your fix.